We are an evolving species. We've mastered tools, conquered nature, leveraged the power of machines, and embraced technology in search of greater knowledge. Computers have empowered us further, and in the process, turn out enormous amounts of data. Today, we record and transfer more information in a year than mankind created over the past 5,000 years combined. Proof we are in the information age indeed.
When you talk about democracy, how does government change? Because it's slow at best when it comes to moving, unless the will is there to really make something happen and they've got the requisite number of seats to push stuff through. But I mean, to come up with new legislation for many things takes time. We're talking about stuff here that many people may not actually have a grasp on. How does government keep up with that?
Well, you touched on the word of rate and time and pace. It's conceivable that people are no longer beholden to this government that designs a new program, but government has the capability with public transfer funds to make your package fit you. We did talk about guaranteed incomes and things of that nature. I think we're going to see a whole rethink of the way government designs programs in future and how it tests what the market is looking for, what the individuals are looking for. Today they've got your postal code. Tomorrow they'll have your data. They've got data today in health records, in education records, in tax records. If those, what's called open data, start to come together, there's enormous implications to improve the efficiency of government services. And government isn't just about service. Government is about policies and taxing and regulations. It will be a very different environment when we start merging these data sets. The whole idea of open data is under discussion today. The Prime Minister of Canada has asked the question, why are we doing census anymore when we have all the data that we have? We need an open data policy, and we've got to figure out how to do it without violating your personal space.
When you look at this, it seems as though there's lots of reasons to be optimistic because you can see the upside to this. Right. What's the downside?
Well, I think the downside is who is watching me? Do I have anything to hide? There have been sessions here today where people are asking whether or not we will provide the names of those that came to this event. In other words, we know something that everyone in the room doesn't know. We're reluctant to share that information without the permission from the individuals. So I think we're going to see a lot of discussion in the coming years about privacy. It's certainly underway today. So the downside is privacy itself is getting rethought and relooked at. There is a new generation today that has grown up with Facebook and Twitter that doesn't seem to be as apprehensive, and maybe they should be, or maybe they shouldn't. And in a democracy, that will be shaped by the people, not by the government.
The value is not in the data itself. The value is in how we use the data, how the data analysis shapes our decisions, how it automates our machines, how it solves our problems, and how it changes our lives. The power of the data is set to be unleashed, and its impact will be felt everywhere. We are experiencing the dawn of a new age, the age of data analytics. Put bluntly, analytics is revolutionizing our health system. Analytics enhances environmental monitoring. Analytics empowers commerce. Analytics is a game changer for professional sport. Analytics redefines the very definition of community. And analytics will drive our future. How will analytics and big data shape Alberta, its economy, and its labor market? How will analytics and big data impact you, your business, and your life? Join global and local experts for 3 days of thought-provoking discussions, insight and foresight, and surprising discoveries. Analytics empowers better decisions. Register now for Canada's largest analytics conference.